Hi, this is Chris Morton. Today I'm going to show you how you can make up to $700 in an hour via the MarketPunter binary broker. Currently, MarketPunter is the only Australian broker that's actually based in Australia, licensed by ASIC. So it's one of the most reputable and trusted brokers for Australians to use. Max returns are 85%. Currently only offers 1 hour expiry times, which is more than fine. It's the most common expiry time to use, and if you are new to binary options, I do recommend trading the 1 hour expiry times. And with my binary option system that I'm going to show you shortly, I use 1 hour expiry times. If you deposit today, you'll receive a 25% deposit bonus, and the minimum deposit is $200. I recommend depositing as much as you can to get the best out of the bonus. So if you deposit $1,000, you'll receive a bonus $250. So there are 3 steps to my binary option system. Step 1 is to study the system. I'll go through this in another video, but this is the system I use. Step 2 is to follow the investment amount strategy that I suggest. So you only ever use 5% of your account balance. So if you start with $1,000, your investment for each trade should be $100. And finally is just basically to join the brokers I recommend on my site. So the first step is to bring up the page where I have the real-time charts. This page does take up to 60 seconds to load the charts in, so just be a bit patient. They will load up. The charts are broken into 4 sections. The charts are broken up into 4 sections. The first being the commodities, where there's oil, gold, and silver to choose from. The next is indices, like the S&P 500, the Nasdaq 100, the currency pairs charts, which is here, and lastly the stocks chart, where you can enter in any stock symbol and it will bring up the stock chart. So I've just entered in Apple, so that was AAPPL, and it's come up here. And you can change the different timelines. So that's what the current Apple chart looks like in hourly sections. Okay, so I'm going to log in to MarketPunter. Obviously, you'll need to create your own account. Okay, so logging in. Alright, so currently I have a balance of $1,042. When I first started, I deposited $200. Using this system, I was able to get up to $1,042. Okay, so here you can find the currencies, stocks, commodities, and indices that are currently open. As we are in Australia, it's a bit limited at the moment as to what you can actually trade. The best times are to trade are in the early mornings or in the evenings, but there still are a few options. Okay, so we'll go and bring up the Euro USD chart. So we'll scroll down to the currency pair chart. There's the current Euro USD chart. So I would look at this and actually notice it has a very bullish chart from the high point, from the low point to the high point. So I'm going to make a call, put in my investment amount of 100 and trade. So that's now gone in. You'll see over here you have my open positions, the instrument, which is Euro USD, the price at which I entered. So for my trade to be successful, it has to be higher than that price. I made a call, a 71% return. So if I win this trade, I'll get $171. The expiry is going to be at 3 o'clock, so just less than an hour, not quite half an hour. Alright, let's go to the USD Japan. So we'll bring that one up, USD Japan. Alright, this has a more bearish looking market. It's gone a bit sideways here, so I actually might leave this one alone. If you see a chart that looks more sideways, you can't see a distinct bearish or bullish pattern, it's best to leave it alone, because that's sort of saying that the market doesn't quite know which way it's going. We want to exploit markets that are clearly defined, going bullish or bearish. Okay, so we'll bring up the British pound USD. Okay, and this also I would leave alone. It has a very sideways looking trend. Okay, so it looks like we'll have to move on to commodities. And currently the gold future is available. So we'll scroll back up on our charts page and bring up gold. Again, another really sideways looking chart. I wouldn't recommend trading this at this particular stage, so we'll skip over that one. We'll bring up the stocks. So I'll bring up BHP. So we'll go down to our stock chart, type in BHP. Okay, so it's in an hourly breakups, which is what we're trading. And I would say this is very bullish from this low point to this high point. So we're going to trade this one. So we're going to put in a call, put in the investment amount of 100 and trade. Okay, as you can see over on the right, that's now gone in. You actually notice that on the fly, the status will change if your trade is winning or losing. Out of the money right now means I'm losing. In the money, it'll turn green, which means I'm winning. At the money means the price is actually the same as what I entered. But that will change as I get closer to the expiry. Okay, so next. Okay, CSL is the next one. So we'll type in CSL, Carlisle's company. This is looking a bit sideways too, so we'll leave this one alone. Actually, we'll bring it up so it's in a week. Actually, yeah, by changing the actual period, it does actually should give you a different sort of view. This is a week. We'll bring up what a day looks like, and yeah, you can sort of see here it's a bit sort of sideways, so we'll leave this one alone. For the Macquarie Group, and we'll go to Rio Tinto. So yeah, to bring up that one, just type in Rio. We'll change it to an hour, and I'd say this is on the way up, this trend. So we will you can see here it's gone up and down actually all quite a bit in the day. At the moment I would say it's hit this actual resistance line here and now it's on its way back up. So we'll make a call, $100 and trade. A little problem there, but the trade went through. Okay. So at the moment my open positions are here. You can actually just see these two have just gone in the money, which is good. This one's out of the money. Okay, so these will expire at 3 o'clock. Right now it's 2:30 my time, so I'm going to pause the video and I'll resume it with about 10 seconds just before they actually close, and we'll see how we ended up. See you soon. So we've now got 30 seconds left for our trades to expire that I've put through. You can see right now we have 2 out of the money, so they're losing trades, and 1 in the money. So let's just see what happens. Whoa! Okay, so this is how MarketPunter's software works. Now it's calculating the positions, and we'll be able to see where we ended up. Okay, so just waiting for this to refresh. Alright, so now these positions have been cleared, and then you can actually start trading again. So to actually see how you went, you go up to my trades, and we'll see here the BHB trade was actually in the money, so the return was 171. The Euro USD trade was at the money, so basically my original investment was returned back to me. You can see that previous trade here, USD Japan, I was out of the money, so I had no return and lost my $100 original investment. I'm going to pause the video again and just wait about 5 minutes to see how this trade went with the Rio Tinto, as it's not been settled yet. So I'll just pause and we'll be back shortly. It's actually come through out of the money, so I lost that trade. So the goal here obviously is that to win more trades than you lose. You do have to expect that you won't win every single trade, but yeah, the goal is to win more than you lose. So yeah, that's using my system via the MarketPunter brokerage accounts. So yeah, until next time, may your trades be profitable.